Hello guys, in today's topic, this will be the last video for the 3-part video tutorial on how you can earn more than $1,000 monthly on YouTube with the help of ChatGPT, an incredible AI software that's gaining immense popularity worldwide. And if you remember, I'll also reveal a unique approach to utilizing this technology, similar to how other channels are leveraging it to generate thousands of dollars each month. If you can recall, the first one was making a $1,000 script using ChatGPT. The second tutorial was about making a video with the script in a passive way, of course, using an AI. In today's topic, we are going to use all of the learning we have, plus making it work passively using artificial intelligence. While making as many videos as you need is free, this is also passive. These will remain on YouTube once you do. It will increase your viewership and possibly lead to more subscribers. I'll also show you how to monetize this strategy now, before your channel is made monetizable. So simply come over and click on export, you guys. My computer is currently downloading this video, which is what will happen. After you download it, I'll walk you through exactly how to make money with ChatGPT and YouTube affiliate marketing. I'm good. So I just downloaded that video onto my computer. I just want to demonstrate how this can appear and how wonderful this video is by playing these first few seconds for you. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the benefits of doing push-ups every day. Therefore, these are only a few scenes, but you already know what to do next. All you would need to do is add the scenes, add the overlay, and the music would already be there. You would go and observe the various push-up variations and adhere to every aspect of ChatGPT. The channel we are copying in this specific video, is one I've dubbed Body Hub. They don't show their faces and they post films every single day, and this channel is just smashing. As a result, you must conduct study on these kinds of videos. You should look at the various kinds of videos they are uploading, as well as the various kinds of thumbnails they are making. And they actually check at the most well-liked videos to determine which ones are generating the most views for them. The other option is to produce short-form content, as I said within video. If you look at the shorts, you can see that they're using shorts to produce these kinds of movies as well, and that they're also getting a lot of views using this tactic. Therefore, you can expand by using InVideo and ChatGPT to produce both long-form content and short-form videos. And to choose which videos you should start producing right immediately, look at the most popular ones. How are you going to make money before your channel is monetized, now that you know the research you need to do, the kinds of videos you need to post, and you've started uploading these videos? Well, affiliate marketing is one of the ways I do it on my channel. Okay, this is very effective, but you must use affiliate products that are relevant to your content when making videos for a specific niche. You won't gain the traction you need to convert visitors into customers if the two don't coincide. Okay, now if we're making a video or channel like this one over here, we need to have affiliate links for things like nutrition, muscle building, weight loss, etc. This moraniche.com network is one of the greatest affiliate marketing networks for this. Okay, as you can see, this is the top health network for those wishing to advertise affiliate products in the medical industry. You may see reasons for joining Moraniche by scrolling down. You can also check at all of their other product categories. You can check at customer reviews. Additionally, you can see what brands they use. I can see that their commissions can reach 40% when I look at their affiliate area over here. In truth, several of them pay significantly more. Okay, additionally, as you scroll down, you can see what people are making, how much they're making, where to find these various affiliate products, which nations they're available in, etc. The nicest part is that they take care of everything for you. And when you look at the brands, if you click on 2 of them and scroll down, you can see that they have brands for men and women, brands for bulking and cutting, and brands for a wide variety of other things that people are trying to accomplish when it comes to their health. Additionally, if you click on any of these brands, you will be able to see the exact earnings made by each seller. With the Brutal Force affiliate program, you can reportedly make up to $200 on each sale. In fact, I'll just switch to another video at the end of this one to demonstrate how to join up for this most crucial program, as well as how to use it as an affiliate program. I'll give it to you at the conclusion of this video. You can clearly see that by using this particular brand, you may make up to 40% in commissions, and that when customers visit this particular supplier to make a transaction, they spend on average $106. And you can estimate that you make about $37 per click. Thus, this is quite good. And for this reason, it's crucial to pair your content with the appropriate kind of affiliate scheme. And if you're going to employ this method, I strongly suggest using more niche to maximize your chance. Therefore, you must go online and register for ChatGPT in order to ensure that you have access to InVideo. You can start using ChatGPT and InVideo to create anonymous YouTube videos. I strongly advise that you click on this video of you right now if you want to know exactly how to use Morinicha and how to sign up for it. I'll show you how to do both in detail in the video before you continue. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Also, don't hesitate to leave your feedback or suggestions in the comments section below. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. This is Ninja AI signing off.